Good morning, friends. Today I am at Red Retreat, where you can feel the serenity of the place. Although it's a cloudy day today, but Himalayas are not clear, but we can see the valley, the fresh flowers, and of course the exotic plants that are here at Red Retreat. We have the apple which is blooming, and I believe this plant has come all the way from America, and IVRI is also planting few of the cuttings so that they can grow. So we also have few visitors here and we have a lot of flowers around. This is the first week of April, so the bloom is yet to begin. The roses are ready. The fruits have already started coming in. These are the peaches, the apple, the plum, and of course Red Retreat, which is very, very close to us. It is at the right place where you have the serenity, the quietness, and at the same time shops around. There are few visitors here today. I am sure you can see a monkey running around. Then there are few guests. This is Mr. Bisht from Dehradun. We have General Karki from Dehradun. We have Deepa from Dehradun, and of course the owner of Red Retreat. Do you have anything to say, sir?
No, आप लोग आते रहिए यहाँ जब मौका मिलता है, and come during the fruit season. I think you love it.
Yes,
and
we really enjoyed our stay here.
Thank you.
You can also see the pots are ready for begonia, and we have the head chef. We call him Nani. Nani, thank you so much.
अरे वेलकम मैम, आना आप सीजन में आना फ्रूट
पक्का.